This week I'm testing the brand new Haval H6 GT, and I love the look of this car and this beautiful colour. Let's find out how practical it is as a baby drive, and don't forget to like and subscribe and follow us on our socials. The child seat section of this review is brought to you by InfoSecure. In the back of the Haval H6 there are ISOFIX in the two outer seats. They are nice and easy to connect to and within plastic guides. On the back of all three seat backs there are top tether anchorages, and they're really nice and easy to connect to through the boot. Now it's really lovely and spacious back here. These seats are really nice and wide, and I could fit 3 InfoSecure child seats nicely across here. And you can fit forward facing or rear facing 3 across. Now when it comes to legroom, it's pretty good in here too, and we can fit a 180cm passenger in front of a rear facing child seat. To learn more about the child seats used in this video, just click on the link here. Storage in the back of the Haval H6 is good. There's a fold down in the central seat back with 2 cup holders. They'll hold a reusable and a disposable coffee cup. There are mat pockets on the back of both front seats, and there's USB ports in the back here too for phone charging. The door bins in the back are quite small though, and they'll only hold a disposable small water bottle, and there are the door handle wells too. There are aircon vents in the back of the central console box in the Haval H6 GT, which is fantastic for keeping rear passengers nice and cool while you're driving along. Storage is really good in the front of the H6. There are 2 cup holders in the central console. They'll hold a reusable and a disposable coffee cup. There's a little space in front of them for the key, and the central console box is nice and big in here. There's a wireless phone charging pad in front of the cup holders too. And the central console is a bridge, so there's a nice big space under there, big enough for an iPad or your handbag, and there's also charging sockets down there too. There's a glasses case in the ceiling, and the glove box is a nice size in here. It will hold an iPad and wallet with the manual. The door bins are nice and big. They'll hold a large refillable water bottle, and you can fit an iPad and a wallet or a MacBook in there too. And there's the little storage wells in the handles too. There's also a little coin drawer down by the driver's right knee. The boot door of the Haval H6 opens electronically with just a beep. Let's find out how much we can fit in the boot. Empty, it will hold 13 shopping bags, or a twin pram and 5 shopping bags, or a tandem pram and 6 shopping bags, a single pram and 7 shopping bags, or a compact stroller and 9 shopping bags, or a medium to large dog. The Haval H6 GT has been a really nice car to drive with my family. I have found acceleration to be a little bit slow to start, and then it does eventually pick up, and it does get a bit growly as well, I've noticed. Now, turning circle is quite good, and visibility is good in here. Nice big mirrors, and those cameras are excellent. Now, it's nice to drive around town. It's good for school and supermarket car parks and places like that. I found it just a nice get in and go car with my family. The media system in the Haval H6 GT is really nice and simple and modern to use and to navigate. One thing I don't like is that you have to control the aircon through the screen. So it means if you're using sat-nav, for example, you lose that screen in order to go to the aircon. Now, it does have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as well, which is fantastic. Now, the cameras are really good in here. When you put it in reverse, they're really nice and clear, big images. You have got 3D image as well as 2D, which is really good. Now, you can turn the parking sensors off with a button down in the central console. So to sum up with the Haval H6, it makes a fantastic baby drive. You can fit those 3 InfoSecure child seats really nicely in the back, and there's room for a twin pram in the boot. It's really spacious inside. The drive is not quite as polished as I would like, but it's a very affordable car for families, and the media system and cameras are very good.